Hey folks, I want to talk to you a little bit today about the office landscape. So these days most people have printers, color devices in particular. And so I want to talk to you about what's the difference between the office printer and the printer that we have, and how we're able to get much better color from what we do versus the office printers. Well, let me tell you, it starts right here with the print engine, right? Print engine, ours, built for production, high quality print. Office printers are really designed for pleasing color, is kind of the terminology that's used. Next to that is the calibration that we do on a daily basis. So we have a calibration tools that we use, calibrates to a set print standards. We use an alignment adjustments, and these things are done daily. Whereas the office environment, no, it's just for those quick things and they just need to get done. So quality and paying attention to the details, what we do every day. Steele Creek Printing and Design, more than a printing company.